I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
Welcome to this money challenge. In just 24 hours, you can learn how to attract money into your life. But before we get into the powerful prayer, I would greatly appreciate your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. To perform the prayer, find a quiet place where you can focus and raise your vibration. It's important to stop complaining about money and negative thoughts towards wealth. Instead, align yourself with prosperity and abundance by using positive words and beliefs about money. Now, let's repeat the powerful affirmation for the prayer, slowly and with energy. Financial freedom affirmations. I humbly ask the universe and God to release my mind from all limiting concepts, thoughts, and energies that hinder my financial growth. I am worthy of my divine inheritance, which is my birthright. I acknowledge the greatness of the universe/God, and I seek to be reborn from my ashes into a prosperous and abundant life. I am a powerful magnet for all the wealth in the world. I am filled with gratitude as I connect with the infinite flow of wealth from the universe, and I anticipate a financial miracle in my life. I trust, I deserve, I believe, and I am open to receiving. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am certain that within 24 hours, I will receive a clear sign that my prayer is being answered. Say these affirmations now. I am aligned with the abundant flow of the universe, and wealth comes to me effortlessly and abundantly. As I open myself to the infinite possibilities of the universe, I attract unlimited wealth and abundance into my life. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my inherent worthiness to receive unlimited abundance from the universe. I am a divine conduit for wealth and prosperity, and the universe supports me in manifesting all of my financial desires. My thoughts and words are powerful creators, and I affirm that I am always attracting unlimited wealth and abundance into my reality. I trust the benevolent nature of the universe to provide me with all that I need and desire, including financial abundance. I am a co-creator with the universe, and I consciously choose to manifest abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. I release any resistance to receiving wealth and abundance, and I allow the universe to provide for me in miraculous ways. I am worthy of all the abundance that the universe has to offer, and I joyfully receive and share my wealth with others. I am in perfect harmony with the universal laws of abundance, and I magnetically attract wealth and prosperity into my life with ease. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.